Hello mga ka-Twilight! Ako po ang iyong friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee. Ilan sa mga katanungan na ipinadala ninyo sa akin ay sasagutin ko na ngayon. Tanong nyo, sagot ko. Mula kay Ray Elepedes. Doc, bakit po nung nag-ejaculate ako ay may kasamang dugo? Hematospermia could be secondary to a traumatic experience, either fall or injury by a hitting object, diba? May natapon sa'yo, natamaan doon sa maselang parte, or even extraordinary sexual contact. So, minsan mga ating couples becomes very adventurous, so pwedeng nasugatan yung daanan ng ihi that would cause blood in the ejaculates, no? Or yung natin, similia. It's very easy to treat if you get the history at nakita mo sa history na may ganyan, then we can give antimicrobials, then come back with evaluation, diagnostic evaluation of semen analysis, urinalysis, likewise, para ma-check natin. Okay? Mula kay Noel Santos, Doc, pwede bang uminom ng spirulina kung umiinom ng amlodipine and losartan? That is both for hypertension and hypercholesterol. Of course, lagi natin sinasabi, spirulina has a very way of taking good care of our blood pressure, diba? Lalo na yung mga pasyente natin. It tends to put it on a more stable numericals. When you say numericals, yung systolic at diastolic natin. But with regards to yung nasabi natin makaka-improve, siguro constant ang pag-inom ng spirulina, mag-i-improve ang blood pressure mo at cholesterol level. Siyempre, yung maintenance, as you follow up, pwede rin mabawasan as the time goes. No? So, pwede siya sa ating mga pasyenteng may maintenance. Mula kay Mia Anderson. Hi, Doc! Hi rin sa'yo. Ask ko lang kung ano po ang dapat gawin pag ang egg ay namamaga. I think you're mentioning the testicles, no? Tapos, pag hinahawakan ay matigas at masakit. Salamat po. I think we have to do examination of your testicles. The possibility of orchitis, if you mo orchitis, may infection is there. You know, for the fact that pag meron ng infection, the testicles become swollen and more tender. There is pain, no? But if there is enlargement of the testicle, matigas siya, tapos masakit kasi lumalaki, medyo uncomfortable when you are wearing your underwear, di ba? Nasasagi, o pag hinawakan mo, probably we need to do diagnostic test like ultrasound of the testicles. Baka meron namang tumutubong bukol or mass. Kasi bukol naman can be inflammatory, chronic inflammatory, like your tuberculosis. You have to remember, you can have TB of your testicles also. Pag tumor naman, we have to define if it's benign or malignant in nature. So, pag meron tayong nakita yan sa ultrasound, then we can do testicular biopsy. So, sa iyong kasagutan, pwedeng inflammatory, pwedeng tumor that we need to look into, but it's important that we do the diagnostic evaluation. Siguro ang pwede mong gawin, Mia, pag medyo masakit, you can take very light analgesic. Okay, then you can put cold compress, no? Yun muna. But I would advise you to immediately follow up your condition. Go to a hospital, the nearest hospital, and have it checked. Okay? At yan ang mga sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell. Post your question in the comment box below. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Muli ako po ang inyong Twilight friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee, saying hello but never goodbye. Thank you for watching!